In this video, I will show you how to add social icons in Hostinger website builder. To add social icons in the header section, it's simple. First, select the header section, then click on Edit Header. Then go to Elements and enable social icon. To edit the color and the size of these social icons, just go to Style, select Social Icons, and you can edit the social links or delete a social platform, for example. You can also reorder or edit the order of the icons and also play with the size or edit the icons color. To add a social icons to any place on your website, for example, the footer, just click on Add Element, select the social icons element, drag and drop it in the footer, for example. Then click on Edit Social Icons. Similar to the header section, you can edit the social links, reposition the social platforms, and also play with the social icons and also the color, just like that. And this is how to add social icons in Hostinger website builder.